Greetings. Just here after a heavy snowfall in northern Oregon. Looking out towards Mount Hood. Just been slogging through this knee-deep snow. It's really spectacular. These open fields in the middle of nowhere. Just see Mount Adams poking up over there. Mount Hood. Normally snow, kind of a problem for most people. Yeah, we like to play in it, but when you need to try to live in it, it's not so much fun. But as much as we might not like it, Mother Nature does offer us some gifts in snow. Obviously, breathing heavily, because it's pretty hard work trudging through this stuff, especially when it's knee-deep or worse. So, nature offers you a chance to get some really good exercise. Let's go hike through some snow, knee-deep, some of that fresh powder. It's heavy, heavy snow sometimes. It's difficult to walk through. And in addition to that, shoveling snow, as a lot of us know, is pretty darn good exercise. You shovel a few walkways and some sidewalk in front of your house, next thing you know, you've gotten your workout for the day. In addition to that, snow is actually maybe very cold, but it's a very good insulator. It's mostly air, and air trapped is usually how we do insulation in most modern homes. So, a good foot of snow on your roof is really going to increase the R value. You'll be able to turn your heaters down or take advantage of being able to keep the heaters turned up and melt some snow with that heat. Snow melt is a heck of a lot easier to sort of harvest than rainfall. Rainfall comes and goes and you have to be ready for it. This snow is going to stick around for a while. It's below 20 degrees and it is not going to be melting anytime soon, and we've got at least another foot on the way. A couple days, so there will be plenty of water just sitting there to be taken advantage of. Rainstorm comes and goes, but the snow's going to stick around for a while. And the other advantage of the snow is that it's highly reflective. And a day like today, where the snow is out or the sun is out, the snow is reflecting a great deal of the sun's energy. And if you're ready for that and have proper parts of your home or your clothing colored black, you'll be pretty darn warm, even just sitting still. We're in a black parka and some dark colored pants and boots here. It's hot in the sun, just sitting still. Absolutely wonderful. So, you can take advantage of the reflective qualities of it, the insulative qualities of it, and of course the weight when you have to drag your feet or your snow shovel through it. So as much as we like to say things like snowpocalypse and snowmageddon, it's not really so much an opportunity to complain. Oh, somebody's shooting at geese. It's more of an opportunity to stay warmer, stay fitter, get some free water. Of course, you'll want to filter it or treat it before you drink it, unless you're just going to use it for washing, that sort of thing. And on top of everything, as one of our viewers pointed out, the snow can bring people together in ways that the device you're looking at really can't. And that's why we are mainly here to talk about the snow, is that it may seem like it's such a problem, but when you see people outdoors in it, suddenly putting their phones down, their devices down, and taking advantage of this incredible landscape to enjoy being together and spending time together, having fun, laughing, sledding, saucering, building snow people or snow structures, throwing snowballs, hopefully not hard ones, be nice to each other. But as is said in certain philosophies, there are no problems, only opportunities, and snow is absolutely full of opportunity, from incredibly beautiful landscapes to opportunities to stay fit or hydrated and get together with people you care about and even meet people that you didn't know you would end up caring about. make some new friends out there enjoying the snow. And we really want to thank you very, very much for taking a few minutes out here in this beautiful Northern Oregon snowscape to talk about the benefits of snow.